Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, فنادته الملائكة وهو قائم يصلي في المحراب أن الله يبشرك بيحيى مصدقا بكلمة من الله وسيدا وحسورا ونبيا من الصالحين. Translation. Then the angels called to him while he was standing in prayer in chamber of worship. Indeed, Allah gives you good news of Yahya, John, who will confirm a word from Allah, and he will be honorable and modest and a prophet from the righteous. When Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam prayed to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for a son, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the glad tidings with the angels when he was praying in his chamber. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him the glad tidings not only of the son but also gave the name of the son that will be Yahya alayhi salam, and also gave him some characteristics of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam, including that he will be the one who will confirm the word of Allah, meaning he will believe in Jesus or Isa alayhi salam. He will be a spiritual and religious leader, and he will be abstaining from sins, and he will be a prophet of Allah, and he will be among his righteous people. The name Yahya in Arabic language has meaning of life. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave him life, he gave him life with the belief in prophethood, and that's why his name was kept as Yahya. Some other scholars say that he was the one who brought the people out of the darkness of death to the light of life, and that's why his name was kept as Yahya. The kalima of Allah means Jesus or Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, because Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was born without involvement of a father, and he was born without a father by the direct order of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The first person to believe in Hazrat Isa alayhi salam and to attest his prophethood was Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam. The word Sayyidan that is used for Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam means that he will be the leader of his people. The next characteristics, Hasuran, means that he will be so much involved in the deen, and he will have lots of fear of the hereafter, that despite of having his sexual desires, he will stay away from the women, and he will have complete control on his desires. Then in the end, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Nabiyan minas salihin, that meaning that he will be a Nabi, a prophet, and he will be among the righteous people. This may appear strange to some people, that why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has specified the righteousness with the Nabis or prophets, because all the Nabis and all the prophets are righteous as per the belief of Muslims. However, many of us don't know that Christians and Jews have different beliefs, and in them some of the prophets are sinful. Ma'azallah, they can commit adultery or other big sins as per Christian or Jewish beliefs. Pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.